So, my name is Hillary, and this is Samson the flying seahorse and his best friend Osby the mouse. And they come from a secret world where all the ocean creatures fly around in the air, and there are no mammals left except for this one mouse. And so they fly around together, and Samson protects Osby from scary other fish like flying sharks and things like that. And his wings move up and down, and Osby can attach on and off of the horse. There was like a digitally sculpted torso, which was then covered in Sculpey and sculpted over again, and everything is hand painted and hand sewn. And the beads for the tail are supposed to be removable so that kids can get their own beads and decorate the tail whichever way that they like. And I'm also collaborating with one of the writing students here at Summer Arts to develop the story further and maybe turn it into a screenplay, because we both thought that it would be a really fun project to do as like maybe an hour script. So yeah.
Sweet.
Right.
Did you talk about the flow chart up the top?
I made a flow chart of what I thought that toy design was like the first week, and so it starts with drawings, and then talking to kids, and then looking at really cute photo reference, and that plus a solid work ethic should produce shiny stuff that kids will play with. But yeah, I also realized that a very, very big part of this project was asking for help, and just learning how to, when a mechanism was just broken or something that really wasn't working right, just to swallow your pride and go, I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, well, you should always, look to the intelligent people around you for their skills, but you should also not be so humble. You tackled every one of these yourself. You went after this stuff. You asked for help, but that's you did it. Nobody came over and forced it on you. And what a gorgeous freaking piece this is. I mean, just a lovely thing. When I left at 4 o'clock, that was a white base, as you well know, and I was just like, she's going to leave it white, it'll look great. And you painted an entire damn diorama on that thing, and it's gorgeous, even with beautiful lettering. So you should be incredibly proud of this piece. And from a toy concept, it works. I could see a girl playing with this because you got the jewelry, you took the time to actually put in little stuff. The wings don't flap today, so what? You can demonstrate that. We can talk about that, no problem. But you got the jewelry bits on there. I wish I could sculpt that well. What a just a really nice piece, and what a great little mouse character. I mean, I don't know the exact story. You haven't told it to me really. I mean, you kind of pieced it in here, but I can create a really big one just with what I see. So I think you set the girls up to have a lot of fun. Really, really awesome, and your work ethic is fantastic.
The presentation as well is fantastic. It's really nice. It's great you've shown the entire process. You can definitely see how you started and how you got there in the end.
Yeah.
Your animation background, of course, comes in handy.
And then when you have a little more sleep, then you'll be able to, nail the prepresentation and be like, woohoo, and you'll remember it and you'll enjoy it. So, but that's, that's the work process. That's what happens. I hope you guys all go, get a little food and then come back a little bit more energized for the show later. So, you got to move on, but it's lovely, lovely, lovely.